Hi, let me show you how to mount a module inside a fryer bay.
Ensure you're grounded when you're operating with parts inside the chassis. Remove the top cover by unscrewing the two finger screws at the back of the chassis and lift it off. Unscrew the restraint bar and lift it off. Remove the airflow cover by unscrewing the two finger screws on top and slide it backwards till it releases and lift it off. Remove the alignment bar by loosening the two finger screws on top and lift it off. Choose which slot the module should be mounted in and remove the bracket. Slide the module into selected slot. Press the test module firmly but carefully into place. Do not force it. And use the screw to secure it. For Freya or Thor modules, the 12-volt cable must be replaced with the one received with the module. Turn the black connector so it fits with the slot power connector and push them together. If you're installing a Thor or Freya module, you need as well to install a blind board on the heatsink side of the module. Press the blind board firmly but carefully into place and use the screw to secure it. Mount the alignment bar by mounting the two finger screws. The alignment bar fixes the modules in place. Make sure the top of the modules goes into the appropriate slot in the alignment bar. Remount the airflow cover by sliding it forward into place and securing the two finger screws on top and ensure the cover are in place. Position the restraint bar in place and screw the restraint bar tightly in place. Remount the top lid and fasten it with the two finger screws. Mount the dust caps when the connectors are not in use. Connect the power cables. Start with the one to the right, followed by the second one. Push the turn on switch and hold it for 5 seconds. Then release it and system is powered on.